Hey, this is Will from LifterLMS. In this video, I'm going to talk about what happens when you edit a course after someone's enrolled in the course and what will happen to their enrollment, what happens to their order, what happens to their progress when you edit a course while people are going through your course. So let's take a look at that. Now, if I edit my course here, I'm going to go to my access plan section and we'll take a look at that first. So the access plans are how students get access to your course. You can find that near the bottom of your course page. You can see I have a few access plans here, monthly, a private coaching, and then I have a beta test plan here. But let's say I'm working on my monthly plan here. Now, it's currently $100 every month for 12 months, I'm going to say, ongoing. So it's $100 every month, just ongoing. And so what happens if I change it to $120? For existing people, nothing would happen. If they've already signed up at $100 a month, they're going to be good to go at $100 a month. For anyone new, they'll be at this new rate of $120 a month. So any existing orders that have been completed are going to be good to go. You know, for someone who's already signed up at $100 a month and I change it, they'll be good at $100. So you can even delete the access plan. So if I didn't want to offer monthly anymore, I could just delete this access plan, but everyone who's previously signed up on the monthly plan is still going to be good to go. It kind of like stamps at purchase. So when they purchase, it kind of like takes a timestamp of it and says, these are the terms for this person in this course. So you can change your plans and it's not going to affect older users, just new people signing up. So that's the access plans. Now, what happens if I were to edit the course itself? So you can see here I have 5 sections in my course. And let's say I add maybe a quiz or something onto lesson 1. And I already have students who've completed lesson 1, they're already on section 2 going through here. Students don't have to go back and complete like something that they've already gone past, for example, like a quiz. But if I were to add a new lesson, maybe I'll put one right here, new lesson. If I were to put like a new lesson right here between lesson 1 and lesson 2 here, now students would have to come back and complete this lesson. Let's say they had like 10% course completion and then I do this. They might have like 8% course completion, so they will have to come back and complete this lesson since this is something they would need to complete the entire course. So that's kind of how that works with adding lessons and changing access plans. As far as prerequisites are concerned, in LifterLMS you can set up prerequisites. So I can say you are required to complete lesson 2 before moving to lesson 3 and so on. They wouldn't have to go back and complete like a prerequisite lesson. For example, if all of my lessons are set up with prerequisites, let's set that up real quick. So you have to complete 1 before 2, then 2 before 3, then 3 before 4. So you have to complete the lessons in this order. If I had a student on lesson 3 already, they've already completed these 2 lessons, and I added another lesson right in between here, but they're already on lesson 4. They wouldn't have to go back and complete something, so you're not going to mess with their prerequisites at all. You're going to be good to go there. They wouldn't have to go back in order to move on or anything. They would just have to make sure they completed this new lesson before completing the course. Like they could go back at any point and view this lesson, complete it, and complete the course. So if that kind of makes sense, you know, you're adding more content to the course. So in order to reach 100% completion, you now added a few more percent on there by putting a lesson here, but you're not going to prevent them from moving forward by doing this. So hopefully that's clear enough. Dealing with all this stuff can be a little confusing. Feel free to drop any questions you have in the comments below on editing access plans, courses, or any questions about LifterLMS. We'll see you in the next video.